Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a t-shirt, remove the background, select the orange color, adjust the shade, adjust the color of shell, select the two mask. Then select the bezier option, adjust the shape, change the background color, save the shell and sticker, adjust the save confirmation, duplicate the shape, adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.